All right, so yeah, I just randomly decided to stream now. I don't know why. I just wanted to just do a stream. Don't ask me. Okay, anyway, let me just make sure that I won't drop frames a bit. I don't believe I'll be needing that much of a bit rate. I'll be honest, because most of it will probably be just coding anyway. So yeah, I'll set the bit rate a bit lower. All right. Oh yeah, by the way, if I sound a bit sick, that is because yeah, I did get sick a bit back. Okay. Actually, I think the 2000 bit rate is okay. Hopefully, I don't just start dropping frame. Okay, I think it's good. Okay. So yeah, welcome to Unity. This is a completely empty scene, and well, yeah, I thought I'd just randomly make something for Minecraft because, well, I want to. I mean, I think you can kind of tell what this is for now, but yeah, this is just going to be for me. Jesus, jeez. I'm having a bit of a hard time talking because of my, I don't know, my nostrils feel a bit weird when I'm talking. Anyway, so yeah, what am I gonna do in this? Well, basically, the first thing that I want to do is kind of set up the camera. And I want this camera to move pretty much exactly how Minecraft moves. And well, I'll start by making a folder here, which will be called the scripts folder. I may also want to make a folder for the prefabs, just in case. And oh yeah, maybe materials while we're at it. Materials while we're at it. Okay, and well, let's just go right into the coding because I don't really know what else to do. I mean, sure, I could try and work on UI, but nah, I don't think so. I think the first thing that I should do is cover the camera movement. So I'll do movement because I don't know, cam movement. There we go. And well, let's open it up in, um, well, let's wait for it to show up. Come on, open up Visual Studio. There we go. All right. Okay, there we go. Visual Studio. And I think that if you're a coder, you may actually find my formatting to be a bit strange, or if you've used Unity and stuff, yeah, you might find my coding a bit strange. But yeah, okay. So, okay, how am I going to do this? All right. So I want this to fly just like how it does in Minecraft. You use WASD. W brings you forward with respect to the camera moving forward. Let me actually check that. Oh, it's on the okay. Hold on. Let me create a 3D object. Make sure it's. Wait, hold on. Let me just make sure that. Oh, oh, okay. Come on. Pivot. Um, okay. Never mind. That's not working. Okay. Well, yeah. I don't know if it's on pivot or on side. Okay, whatever. Sure. I'll just. So, what is the first thing that I might want to do? Okay. Uh, what is okay? What am I trying to do here first? So I think yeah, I'll just start with the void update. Why not? And we'll just use the get access raw. If input.get access raw. Well, what is it here that I want to do? Well, okay. What is it? Okay, I'm trying to figure out what I really want to do. Okay, how about this? If input.get axis raw, and we take the axis name, I believe this is mouse. Let me check the project settings, and where is it? Input. There you go, axis and mouse X. Okay, mouse X and mouse Y. Mouse X. Okay, input of mouse X is not equal to 0. Then okay. Here we go. I can finally get an understand. Okay, float will have sensitivity. Just call it sensitivity. Public float sensitivity. What else should we have? We have a public float. Move speed. Okay, I think, yeah, whatever. I think that's good enough. Sensitivity. This one is for rotation. This one it will be for rotation, and this one will be for movement. Duh. Okay. Anyway. Actually, I think this one needs to be if it's greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, we just do camera dot we do transform dot rotate. We take I guess we'll take a new vector 3, and I do not know which one is the x position, so great on my part. Mouse axis, I'm guessing it's the side to side. So I believe that should be I guess we'll keep this at 0f. And then we'll do sensitivity by multiply by time dot delta time. Why not multiply by time dot delta time 0f. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. Well, we'll see, and I'll probably just completely fail at this because I'm not too familiar with how to properly do this. Sensitivity, let's automatically set this to like 1 or something. And let's see if I just completely failed, and I can't tell if I'm even rotating the camera. Hold on. Okay, I actually need something to. I need a reference. Okay, I have no frame of reference in this entire thing, so it's like, what's up with this red line? Okay, whatever. I have no frame of reference, so I actually need to just create like a cube, and then I'll just bring it to the center right there. And well, yeah, okay. Let's see now if I can actually properly tell. Okay, yeah, this is super slow though. Okay, yeah, okay, we definitely need to. Oh, this returns a float. Okay, we can do that. Huh. Okay, we could do it like this. If it's not equal to 0, then we can just do this rather than we could do rotate by input.get axis raw, and we input mouse x, and we multiply that by sensitivity. There we go. You just need to bump up sensitivity quite a bit, like quite a bit. Let me try it. Okay, where is it? Main camera. Sensitivity will set you to like, well, okay, let's try 100 right now, and let's see how this works. Yeah, it seems to work. Yeah, it's actually working pretty good. It's working pretty fine, actually. Okay, wow, I just really need to bump that up. Geez, I wonder why. Okay, I really wonder how I can actually make that much quicker. Sure, I could put in hard code some sort of number. I'll put 100 and multiply that 100 to f, and then sensitivity will be like wait, whoops, I forgot. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. Sensitivity, let's go. Okay, that's way too much, way too much. Okay, let's try 1. Still a bit slow for me. Set this to like 5. Okay, for me 5 is a bit okay. 5 is okay. Now to count for the for the Y position. So we'll do the same thing. But of course, I think that I should probably have a public boolean, or actually maybe, well, I'll have a temporary variable. I'll call this, I'll put permanent variables right here. And right here, this will be a public boolean rotate cam. By default, this will be set to true, and why not? We'll set in void start. We'll set that. We'll set that rotate. We'll just make sure rotate cam is equal to true at the start. Otherwise, that would be a little awkward. Can't rotate the camera. Okay. Anyway. All right. Now, okay. Something I kind of want to do. If I want to get transform.rotation.y is greater than or equal to 360 f. Well, basically, what I want to do is just okay. This is just going to do is set it back to 0. It gets the current. Okay. Transform dot rotation dot set. It gets the current transform dot rotation dot x. Okay, right. This is quaternion stuff. I actually don't know how to deal with quaternions. Actually, I should probably explain what are the functions of quaternion dot. Oh, okay, hold on, let me check something. Okay, a quaternion. What are the functions? Quaternion dot. Okay, returns a rotation that rotates. From to rotation. So okay, identity inverse lerp k epsilon. What's k epsilon? Slurp. Euler angles. What is this? The Euler angles. We'll take the transform dot rotation dot Euler angles dot x, and then we'll take the let's just set this to 0f and transform dot rotation dot Euler angles dot z. There we go. We'll just make it like that. And well, what is this? Quaternions are used to represent rotations. So use quaternion dot. Okay. Wait, okay, what's the difference between, what is the difference between the two? Okay, returns a rotation that rotates, that's not the one, Euler angles. Okay, I wanted to return to set the rotation. Okay, what does this function return? This returns a quaternion. Okay. Okay, whatever. I don't know. I'll just work with it. Transform dot rotation will be set equal to this. I don't know. I just wanna work with it. I wanna see what happens. I don't care if it's. Okay, let me check. No, the camera. Okay, hold on. I need to actually make sure that it's working. So let me just comment this out first, and let's see if it actually just doesn't need it at all. If not, then I'll just get rid of it. It's interesting. Oh, I guess I don't need it after all. Yeah, I guess I truly don't need it after all. Okay. So yeah, now let me now just do this. Now we just do if. I should probably have I'll make a function, right? Actually, no, this entire script is for mouse movement. So I'll have if rotate cam is equal to false, then we'll just return right there. Okay, and then we do if input dot get axis raw. Why would I need to do that? Or whatever, I'll just do it like that. Get axis raw, and we'll take the mouse Y and does not equal to 0. Well, we want to do almost the same exact thing, except I believe it's inverted. Not really. I mean, I believe that the rotation should be inverted, and we'll just need to change the order of this. So we take that and we'll put it right here. And finally, we want make this a negative 1000, and we'll change this to Y. Okay, let's test this. I believe I actually do want to do a mathf.clamp. Hold on, maybe I should check, make sure that. Okay, you know what? I'll just wait a bit first, because I don't want the camera to be rotating very weirdly. And yeah, and oh gosh, the camera's very awkwardly. Oh gosh. Yeah, okay, I was worried about that. Okay. Well, I completely do not know how to. I'm completely failing to recognize how to properly do camera rotations. Um, so yeah, you know what? I'll make this a private function void. I call the we'll call it rotate camera. We'll just plop. We'll take this and we'll just put it right here for now, and we're not going to do anything with it because yeah. Okay, anyway, let me just leave that here, and I'll just do I'll have another private void here. So private void move to move. Why not? We'll capitalize it. Move camera, not multiply. Move camera, and we'll take if input dot get axis raw, and well, I believe this was now going to be forward. and this does not equal to 0. Actually, I'm not sure. I need a, no, I think it's horizontal, vertical, no, vertical. Vertical, I believe. Not vertical, vertical. And we need to check our inputs again because I completely do not know. All right, make it, oh, okay. Okay, project settings, input, and horizontal. Hold on, I need to check. Oh, okay. All right, okay. Yeah. So I guess we'll do this. Oh yeah, right. This should be in late update if this has to do with the camera. This always should be in late update since this is the camera. Then what we want to do now is, what is it? Okay. Wait, what is it I want to do? Cough. Okay. Transform dot position. No, not parent. Position. We said equal to. Actually, no. We can just do. Can we just do transform dot translate? Yeah, this is a void. So yeah, why not? We'll make a vector. Yeah, I think. I'll take vector 3 dot forward. We would like to also multiply this by move speed. Also, why not by 100f? And yeah, we'll multiply by time dot delta time. Actually, does that work? Did I just do that? Can I just do that? I actually don't know if that works. I'm not sure if that completely works, but let's just test it out. And nothing's happening because I did not call the function. I am smart. Move camera. Let's put it there. Let's call the function now and actually do something. Hopefully, let's actually do something. Because, yeah, that would be very awkward if it doesn't. And it does nothing. Great. Okay. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Okay. Oh yeah, I may actually want to do it like I may actually want to do it like this. Camera. Then I actually whoops want this. I want to rotate the camera and make the okay. I'll make it like this one is the one that's setting the position of the camera, and well, this one. Okay, let me see. So the camera is for the position. The main camera handles the rotation. So I will be needing a reference to that. So reference to public. I think this is more of a transform. So transform. So I'll call this the position. Position dot position. Okay, position dot transform. I will take pause. And well, why not? Well, dragging this right there. I mean, sure, I could make it a private variable and make it get it from a parent. Let me try that. Actually, I want to see if that works. Equal to get component in parent. And well, that one will just literally just be take the transform, and there we go. Let's see if that works. And just so I can see this private variable, I'm going to serialize this field just so I can see it and if it actually does work. Let me set this to none as well. It's to none. And let's see. Does it properly get it? It gets the main camera. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'll just have it. I'll just have it so that it gets I'll just have this public so I can set it in the, I could do this. Public get private set. Could do that. Actually, no, I can't do that. That'll be very awkward. Yeah, let's do it like that. Okay. Okay, then let's get rid of this because we don't want to do that. Okay, so we take the position dot position. We'll say that that will be equal to, and plus equals a new vector 3, and well, wait, plus equals vector 3 dot forward. Wait, what was that? F. What the heck is that? Okay, anyway, forward, when we multiply this by move speed, multiplied by time dot delta time, we'll multiply that by 100. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Right, I actually need to assign the thing. Okay, great. I'm smart. Okay. Take that. And we actually need to make sure that this has a speed. Otherwise, that would be very awkward. Okay, okay, whoa. Okay. Yep, there's definitely movement. There's definitely movement. There is definitely movement. Okay, thank you. I can understand that I probably should lower this. Yeah, we should also indicate that we should also multiply this by input dot get access raw, and we'll take the vertical cough. Okay, we may not want to multiply this by 100. I'll do it in like 10. Okay. Let's see how this is, and yeah, this is a pretty decent speed. Can always change it. Let's see. Yeah, I think the speed is fine. All right. So now let's do the same thing, but for the other axis. So if input.get axis raw, we'll take the horizontal and does not equal to 0. What we want to do is pos.position. Well, once again, we want to do input.get axis raw. And we'll do horizontal. Or we're going to be getting, I'm not sure which vector this is. I need to check. So this is forward. I believe that I cannot. That's the x-axis. So vector 3 dot right. Yeah. Okay. Right. And we'll multiply this by move. We'll go and multiply by move speed. Multiply by time. Dot delta. Come on. Dot delta time multiplied by 10f. All right. There we go. So yeah. Let's see. See if I got the movement down. This is honestly I could try to do some, yeah, this is actually very simple. Now all I have to do is input to get the proper, actually do I have an input for the space and left shift? Jump is space. Okay, we'll just, why is there two jumps? Okay. Oh, okay. Jump, why not? Well, okay, I actually do not know the proper convention for naming this. Is that actually it? Okay. I'm hoping that works. So now we want to do this. If input.get axis raw, we will do this once again. We'll do for jump, and if it does not equal to 0, we want to do pos dot position plus equals input dot get axis raw, and we take the jump, multiply this vector 3 dot up, whoops, dot up, make sure, okay, and multiply this by move speed, multiply this by time dot delta time. Yay, 10f. Okay, there we go. So this tackles the, this one tackles the forward and backward, forward and backward. This one is side to side. This one is up and down. Or you know what? I'll do left to right, up and down. Okay, there we go. And yeah, it's always handy to put comments because you never know. And it works. Yay! We have our movement system down. I am actually pretty glad about that this worked. I mean, the rotation didn't really work out so well. Okay. So yeah, I think move camera is perfectly fine. I don't think there's really much else to say about that. So yeah, this just moves the camera. And why not? We'll just put, yeah, okay, no. Moves the camera. I'll put a note here that it says it's done. And well, I know over here we'll say that this rotates the camera, and this is incomplete. I'll put a sad face. There we go. All right, anyway. Excuse me. So, how do I actually do this? For me, I'm so used to having the camera actually be the one that's like that's moving. However, my problem here is that it's rotating along the z-axis as well, which is not what I want. Yeah, it's a pretty bad thing that's happening. I honestly really do not want, I don't want the camera to rotate, and I really don't want the camera to rotate along the z-axis. I only want it to rotate the x and y, but however, this may be a problem due to gimbal lock. So I might have to get into quaternions, and I really actually don't really know quaternions very well. Yeah, that doesn't sound very great. Okay. Let's but let me try this. Let me see the functions for quaternions again. So turns the angle in degrees between two. Okay, angle axis. Okay, okay. I don't. Hey, angle. Okay. Dot product. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Anyway. In terms of rotation, let's see what this looks like. I'll just set a quaternion, I'll call this rot, and we'll equal to this. However, I think we'll just pass in 0f, 100f, and well, this is just multiplied by input, get axis raw, and look at the mouse, x, multiplied by the sensitivity, and multiply this by time, dot delta time. And well, I'll take this out and pass in rot. So I'll pass in transfer to rot. Right, okay. Transform dot rotation plus equals rot. I don't actually. Oh, I have to convert this to two Euler angles. What? Turning on the two Euler angles in the constant rotation. I do not know. Okay, I really do not know quaternions, but I'm trying. Quaternions, four-dimensional rotations. All I can say is they confuse me a lot. Okay. However, they are essential, especially when you're doing 3D games or anything 3D and 3D rotations in general. These are essential. However, for me, for the most part, I've only dealt with quaternion dot identity, which is not very impressive, to be honest. Okay. Wait. Okay. Just for the rotation, there's no argument. Oh, well. Okay. First off, let me just get rid of that error so I can actually. Okay. That two Euler angles is a method. However, what is it? Use okay. Why? Okay, Euler angles. What? Why? Okay, what is? Okay, just for no rotation is a quaternion. I'm pretty sure that is. This equals a rotation. Now, obviously, I can't. Oh, okay. So I basically can't do that. Okay. Wait, I completely forgot transform that rotate, and why didn't I just do this? Two Euler angles. Oh, okay. Forgetting the comma at the end of the line. Always, I mean, the semicolon. Always a horror to every single coder. Okay, every single coder. You just, you just, you just completely. I forgot to properly add rotate camera. Let me just comment out this part just so that we don't do that. Okay, rotate cam. Okay, rotate camera. Go. Let's see how we do. I'm probably just gonna completely mess up because, and well, I mean it is somewhat working. But it's like very extremely weak. Hmm. Okay, let's just multiply this by like another 1,000, right? Add another zero. Let's see how. Okay, add another zero. Right. Okay. Actually, you know what? I think I'll set this to just another to 1,000. No, no, I think I'll leave it at 100. I'll just adjust my setting here. Setting, which I'm not at the settings. I need to go into the inspector. Make camera. I hide this. Sensitivity, let's bump this up to like 10. And let's see where we're at. Not too high. Okay, let's bump this up to another 100. All right, let's see. Still feeling a bit. I can tell it's not really be able to tell when I'm okay. Okay, I'd actually need a tutorial on quaternions right now, but just completely failing. Okay. All right. I guess I think I'll deal with the rotate camera another time. I might even do it off camera because I'll feel very guilty if I borrow someone else's. Actually, no. What am I doing? Just need to comment out this part. All right. I think there's enough about the camera movement. Now for the blocks. So wait. Hey. Okay. So I'll call this the